Hey loves, it's me. I'm back again in my cosplay outfit because why not? So here lately I've been doing some gaming, a lot of Fortnite, even though I am not the best Fortnite gamer in the world by far. Actually, I kind of suck at it, but I enjoy the game, so nonetheless, I've been playing and I wanted and needed a new headset, so I bought a new headset. Also, got some really cool mods for my controller, which have helped tremendously with my aim. These are by Control Freak, by the way, just a FYI. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. This one is about this cool headset, and it has ears. I know. So girly, but I like the ears. Oh, here they are. Super cute, right? Okay, not bad. So, oh gosh. Okay, so they did come with instructions. You know what? I don't know. We probably don't need that. Okay, so they are. I like that there's little paw prints on the ears. It's so cute. I think, if I'm not mistaken, the ears on top light up, I think. Yeah, the ears, okay, so these light up too, I guess. We're gonna find out, Alright. And I guess, oh, yes. So it does, I'm satisfied. It does match my controller. I'm so happy, y'all. It's the little things. It's the little things. Okay, so I want to see if they work because I was just kind of looking for something. Like I said, I'm not a super serious gamer like that, but I just saw it, thought it was cute, and got it. So I did see one review where this person got it and it didn't work, so I'm praying that mine will. So I plugged them in. They're not lighting up. Are they supposed to light up right away? I hope so. I guess I should get my PlayStation to do something. Oh man, I guess they don't light up right away. Okay. Oh, these might be... Wait, hold on. I should probably have read the instructions actually. Oops. We're gonna play Fortnite, J.O. I got the hiccups. Yeah, I know. It's okay. Okay. So, there's one thing I did notice. It said it came with a mic. So something really embarrassing and kind of crazy happened. I had to go back and edit this video because I was about to dog Amazon out for these because the mic fell when I opened the box, and it fell in a really weird place, which was on top of my... I have this thing I use as a stand or a little table, and it like slid, it dropped under. It dropped under and landed like on the second shelf of the little table. I don't know. Super weird. Super bizarre. Freaking Area 51, man. Alright. Alright. There we go. Alright, so I guess in this, yeah, this only goes on the left side, but it's cool. Right, so there we are, and it's adjustable. So I'm gonna see if you know, I know this is just a jack as well with the USB. This is what makes it light up, but if you have a little portable charger and you really want it to light up while you're playing, I guess you could just plug it in. Little paw prints light up here. Look at the ears. These are so cute. They're so freaking cute. Okay. This video, I was not gonna post it, and then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna post it anyway just because it took me a long time to get through this stupid thing. I ripped my outfit. I'm a little sad about that. And then the mic fell and like disappeared. And then something like super weird happened with my camera, so I don't know. Anyway, we made it through. We persevered. Did it anyway. Prime example of when you, here I go getting spiritual on this video, even though that's not what it was purposed for, but anytime you have an idea or you really want to do something, do it, and don't let the small stuff get in your way. Just do it. Just go do it. If you enjoy it and it makes you happy, forget the little stuff. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just let it be. I'm going to go ahead and try this headset out on a game of Fortnite. I'm going to see if my friend who does stream, I have 2 of them that stream online. I did get permission from one of them. If you would like to watch my friend stream online, he's on Twitch, and it's All Day Every Day with 2 Y's, capital TV. So All Day Every Day TV again. But check him out. I'm gonna see if he's online now and see if we can get some gaming on. I'm gonna try these out and let you guys know how they work. Red versus blue. So I'm going to give these, I'm going to give them a 4 out of 5. I feel like they could be a little better in some aspects. They're pretty decent. They're pretty cool, actually. They're good quality. You know, they're just, I mean, if you want something fancy, get something fancier. But I think for what I paid for them, they're pretty decent. So. Cool. Well, that is it. That is all I have for you guys. Catch me on the next video.